Hello, everyone. So I don't think I formally introduced myself yet. My name is Richard of Daikoku Legends. So I'm basically in recent years, I'm starting to really get back into cars, car culture, fixing cars, learning how to fix cars, big time. So I think there are a lot of folks like me out there where your kids are getting older, you're finding yourself more free time, and you're once again getting back into automotive culture or restoration. So, yeah, I'd just like to say hi to everyone. So let's take a look at my garage, or at least what I have here for learning how to fix cars. Let's see. So one of the biggest piece here is definitely my 4-post lift. I wanted this installed so I can get under the car easily. And I've since then basically installed the exhaust on the GR86 myself. That's a relatively simple job. And I'm going to be changing into a set of coilover this weekend. And to over here is where I store tools and equipments, oils, etc. And here you can see some of these oil filters I purchased from Japan. And over here we have a workbench. Kind of small, but I think it's sufficient. I got these magnetic trays here for keeping screws, nuts and bolts in place so they don't fly right off. And that's basically it. Another storage here for car parts, old car parts. And that's basically it. I mean, I do need to organize my tools a bit better. Because it's not just automotive stuff. I got my drills and stuff in here. My oil change pan. And this is all the car detailing stuff that I use. And on this side, I have an oil absorbent mat for in case when I actually spill oil from the oil change. My spare tire. And my wife's car. And the GTR is over there. All right, guys, I finally bought my first impact wrench. So I've selected this Milwaukee M18 Fuel model. It's a high torque impact wrench. So I figure I'm going to be changing a set of coilovers this weekend, and I would need something to help remove stubborn bolts as well as my wheels. And I don't want to do it by hand if I'm removing a lot of stuff. So this is what I got, and I'm going to try it out this weekend. Okay, now this is interesting. This is my first time doing an unboxing video. So I bought this Milwaukee M18 Fuel high torque impact wrench that I plan to use for automotive work. I've been using just regular torque wrench and stuff up to now, but I think when I'm doing a lot more heavier duty automotive work, I need something heavy duty like this Milwaukee Fuel over here. Oh man, this thing is heavy. Well, it's heavier than I expect it to be, but I think when it's heavy duty, it's got to be this heavy. Let's put on the battery, which I just fully charged. Holy shit, man. And I think I have 3 different modes or torque settings here. I guess I do have to read the instruction of what these are. Okay, so with the different settings here, basically there are different maximum RPM settings. So looking at the instruction menu, mode 1 goes up to 700 RPM, mode 2 1300, mode 3 2000 RPM. And then there's the last one, which is basically used for torquing screws torquing screws or nuts and bolts. So it can go forward 0 to 900 RPM, but in reverse it goes up to 0 to 2000. So I think that's basically for unlocking maybe your wheel lug. You need a stronger setting, but when you're actually torquing it, you don't want it too strong. And the fastening torque is only up to 50 foot-pounds. So that's a very good setting to have, I think, for actually torquing a lot of things. So I'm going to try it out. Let's see.